ready to refresh your Squarespace site's first impression without touching your navigation. Let's swap out your homepage in minutes. First, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your website's dashboard. Look for the settings icon, usually a gear, in the top left corner, and click on it. Once you're in Settings, find and click on the Website option in the left-hand menu. This will open up your site's structure and pages. Now, you'll see a list of all your website pages. To set a new home page, you need to identify the page you want to become your primary landing page. This could be a brand new page you've just created or an existing one you want to repurpose. Locate the page you want to set as your new home page to the right of its name. You'll see a three-dot menu. Click on these three dots to reveal more options for that specific page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option that says Set as Home Page. This action tells Squarespace that this page should now be the first one visitors see. You'll notice a visual change indicating that your chosen page has now officially become your home page. Your previous home page might be moved or displayed differently. But rest assured, your navigation links will remain intact and point to their original destinations. It's that simple to keep your website's introduction fresh and relevant.